Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In the step-by-step tutorial, we're going to break down for you how you can make a vertical text in your document on Word really quickly. So let us get started right away. Now, doing this is actually super simple, guys. What you want to do is start by adding a text box to your document. So simply hover your mouse or cursor where you'd like to place a text box. After that, click on Insert here at the top and select text box from that menu here. After that, select the type you would like to add. For instance, a simple text box like this one here. Delete the default text and type in your own custom text. So let me type in vertical, for instance. Now, as you can see, if I type in the text like that, it will not be placed vertical but horizontal. So to change that, simply delete all letters except the first one, just like that. Press enter to skip to the next line and add the next letter, which in this case would be E, and so on and so forth. So repeat the same process, press enter to skip to the next line, add the next letter, which is R, and so on and so forth. So let me type in vertical using that method. And that's basically it, guys. Now you may customize and edit your text box. For instance, get rid of these borders here. To do that, right click on your text box border, select format shape, and here on the right panel, simply click on fill here, select no fill, and expand also line, and select no line to get rid of that border here. And what you want to do also, guys, is, for instance, change the spacing between your letters and words. To do that, select or mark your text, head over to home here in the top left corner, take a look at that paragraph box here and click on that icon there and select your preferred line spacing from that drop-down menu. That's all to it, guys. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time on our channel.